delivered. Asoebi. Good night. Good night. So cute. So I just got this package delivered. It's our Asoebi for bridesmaids for Mariam's wedding MS25. If you can recall from one of my vlogs, I did a vlog when they were bringing her wedding gifts, her leafy. So, and the wedding is slated for 30th June. Today is July. What day in July? 7th or 8th? Yeah, I think today is 8th of July. And the wedding is less than 60 days away. So I'm taking it to my tailor. This is our uncle Asoebi for Kamu. MS25. So this is the fabric, and this is the hat. Then we have Nivea. Oh, so cute. We have a ribbon and an undercap. Then also there were chocolates inside. I took the chocolate and I shared it with my niece and nephews. So very thoughtful of her. Save the date and come along with me. All road leads to Gashua, Yobe State, for Mariam and Saifullahi. From Gashua, then we'll come back to Gombe as well. She's from Yobe. The husband is from Gombe. Although she's living in Gombe, but her parents are in our family there, so we'll have to go to Gashua before coming back to Gombe again. So, as usual, check on the family friend and told me she gave her later thing, so we went all together to go check on her. And we stopped by at the supermarket to pick one or two things, and I've been wanting to get granola for my coffee and Greek yogurt. We also stop by at this restaurant, Blue Lounge, to grab dinner and doing takeout. Yeah. Good night.